Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create border in Microsoft Word. So click on this design tab and here click on page borders. Now select any style of border. Select box in color. You can select any color. Width, click on OK. You can make changes here. You can apply whole document, particular section, first page only, all except first page. If you have multiple pages, so you will see this effect here. So except first page, you have the borders in whole document. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.